In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download iCloud for Windows. If you use an iPhone, iPad, or Mac and want your photos, files, and passwords to stay in sync on a Windows PC, the official and simplest route is through the Microsoft Store. Apple now distributes iCloud for Windows only via the store, which also ensures you receive automatic updates and the latest features. Start on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer by opening the Microsoft Store app. In the search bar, type iCloud, then select the iCloud app from Apple. Click Get or Install, and let Windows handle the download and setup. You'll need to be signed in with a Microsoft account to complete the store install, and a steady internet connection helps this go smoothly. If you prefer, you can visit Apple's support site and use the iCloud for Windows download link there. It simply redirects you to the same Microsoft Store page. Once installation finishes, open iCloud for Windows from your Start menu. Sign in with your Apple ID to connect your PC to your iCloud account. After you're signed in, choose what you want to keep in sync on this computer. You can turn on Photos to manage iCloud Photos, enable iCloud Drive to access files and folders, and optionally sync bookmarks with supported browsers and passwords with iCloud Passwords. When your choices look right, click Apply. You can change these options anytime by reopening the iCloud app. Here's what you get once it's set up. Photos can stay consistent across your iPhone and PC. iCloud Drive appears in File Explorer, so your documents are easy to find, and you can access mail, contacts, and calendars associated with your iCloud account. Passwords and bookmarks can travel with you between devices, helping you sign in faster and stay organized. Before you begin, make sure your PC meets the basics: Windows 10 or later, a Microsoft account for the store, and your Apple ID credentials. On some systems, installation requires Windows Media features to be enabled. If something refuses to install or open, check Windows optional features and confirm media components are turned on, then try again. That's all it takes. Download from the Microsoft Store, sign in, pick what to sync, and you're done. With iCloud for Windows, your Apple content stays current on your PC with minimal effort. Updates will arrive through the store automatically, so you won't have to hunt for installers or miss important security fixes.